I wish I were fitter. Hello and welcome back to Learn English with Dan, where today we're going to look at the word wish. We're going to look first of all at how we use wish to express a regret that something isn't how we would like it to be and how it's never going to be like we want it to be. We're then going to have a look at wish expressed as a regret in the past, how we wanted something. Let's have a look at the structure, specifically the grammar structure of I wish. I wish I had €1,000,000. So you see there, when I'm using the word wish, I'm using wish plus past tense. I wish I didn't have to work tomorrow. I do have to work tomorrow, but I would like not to. I wish I owned a Ferrari. Or do I? I wish I could learn Spanish faster. Soy de feliz. I wish I could be invisible. Oh, I didn't realize I had that power. So what about when we're talking about the word wish in the past tense to express regret? We often do this. Let me give you an example. I wish we'd taken the train. This traffic is a nightmare. I'll put the example on the board here where you can see the structure. I wish we'd taken the train. The traffic is a nightmare. Notice the contraction, we'd taken. That would be a very common way of expressing it in English. I wish I hadn't eaten all those prawns. I feel as sick as a dog now. I wish I hadn't eaten. I did eat in the past, but I wish I hadn't eaten. I'm using the past perfect. I wish I'd started training for the marathon earlier. I don't think a week is enough time. So there we are, we've got the past perfect. I wish I had. I wish that I had. Same thing. I wish that I'd started training for the marathon earlier. In general, we don't use wish with would. However, there are circumstances when we're expressing regret, dissatisfaction, irritation, or impatience when we will use would. So let me give you a few examples. I wish it would stop raining. I'm a little bit annoyed that it's still raining. I don't want it to rain. It is, but I don't want it to. I'm getting a little bit irritated. I wish it would stop raining. I wish that dog would stop barking. He's driving me mad. Shut up, Shep. He's a good boy, really, but he just gets on my nerves sometimes. I wish he would stop barking. There are times when we definitely shouldn't use wish, and that's when we're wanting something to happen in the future, a willingness, so to speak. Let me give you an example. I hope Arsenal win on Saturday. We can't say, I wish Arsenal would win on Saturday. We're using the verb hope. I hope Arsenal win on Saturday. Likewise, I can say, I hope my daughter passes her exams this summer. I hope my daughter passes her exams. I can't say, I wish my daughter will pass her exams, or I wish my daughter would pass her exams. I can say, I wish my daughter would study harder, because she doesn't, and I want her to, but she doesn't. So we're expressing a regret in some form. So I hope you get that contrast. I hope is to express a willingness in the future where we can't use would. So, I've explained the main uses of wish, but occasionally we use wish in different scenarios. So, for example, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We can also say wish plus infinitive. I wish to make a complaint. Now, this kind of wish is quite formal. It's not as used as often as it used to be. You normally just say, I would like to make a complaint. I want to make a complaint. But it's perfectly reasonable and good English to say, I wish to make a complaint. Basically, you're using wish in that circumstance or in those circumstances, like, would like. So how do you practice this? Well, this is a little bit difficult. So what I'm going to suggest is you write down 1 or 2 wishes of your own, pop them in the comments below, and I'll check them for you to make sure you're on the right track. How does that sound? Good. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.